Welcome back to Intellect Insight. Today we are diving into one of the most common yet confusing topics in English: when to use a, an, and the. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to use these articles correctly with simple examples. So let's get started. Let's take few examples. I saw a dog in the park. It could be any dog, not specific. I saw the dog that was barking loudly. A specific dog we both know about. Section 2. When to use a and an. Use a before words that starts with consonant sound and use an before words that start with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. For example, I saw a cat. Cat starts with a consonant sound. She ate an apple. Apple starts with a vowel sound. He is an honest man. Silent H, which means honest, sound like a honest. It was a university. University starts with a yo sound, not a vowel sound. Common mistakes to avoid. I saw an car. It is wrong example. I saw a car. This one right. 3. When to use article the. Use article the when talking about something specific or unique. For example, the moon looks beautiful tonight. There is only one moon. That's why we can use article the. I left my phone on the table. A specific table we both know. Paris is the capital of France. Only one capital of France is there. That's why we can use article the. Common mistakes to avoid. I went to the school yesterday. It's a wrong example. Unless you are referring to a specific school, we cannot use the. I went to school yesterday. Correct. General meaning we are talking about. So, quick recap. Use article a before consonant sound. Use article an before vowel sound. And use article the for specific or unique things. So, here is a challenge for you guys. Write a sentence in the comments using a, an, or the correctly. I'll reply and check them for you. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Happy learning.